Thank you for coming to Starbright Storytime. Today's book is called Rain by Judith Bauer Stamper, illustrated by Rhonda Krum. Rain by Judith Bauer Stamper, illustrated by Rhonda Krum. Here comes the rain. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Drops of rain fall from the gray clouds. The trees and grass get all wet. Water runs down the street and into drains. More and more rain falls down. The rain makes small puddles. Then the puddles get big and deep. Where does all this water come from? What is rain? Rain is drops of water. Raindrops can be big or small. A big raindrop looks like this. A small raindrop looks like this. Big raindrops fall faster than small ones. Some rain beats down like sticks on a drum. That rain is made of big drops. It comes down fast. Where does rain come from? First, the sun's rays heat water. The water gets hot. Some of it turns into a gas. The gas rises up. As the gas rises, it gets cold. It turns back into small water drops. Many drops make clouds. When the drops get too big, they fall as rain, sleet, or snow. Where does it rain a lot? It rains each day in a rainforest. Rainforests are hot and wet. Plants and vines get tall and thick there. Birds, frogs, and snakes live in the rainforest. Can you find them? Where does it rain very little? A desert does not get much rain. It gets less than 10 inches of rain a year. Many things can stay alive in a desert. They can get along with very little water. Some desert plants save water in their thick stems. Can you find them? Can it rain too much? Lots of rain can fall at one time. Too much rain brings floods. Floodwaters can sweep away trucks, trees, and homes. These men come to help. They save this mother, father, and their kids. They take them to a safe place to stay. They wait for the rain to stop. Is rain good for us? Yes, we all need rain to stay alive. Rain brings water back to the land. Plants like that. Rain brings water back to lakes and streams. Fish and frogs like that. Rain brings water to drink. Birds like that. Rain brings puddles. We like that. Splash. Copyright 1999 by Scholastic, Inc. Published by Scholastic, Inc. Scholastic and associated logos and sound, hound, and design are trademarks and/or registered trademarks of Scholastic, Inc. Printed in the USA. First Scholastic Printing, April 1999. This has been Rain by Judith Bauer Stamper. Illustrated by Rhonda Krum. Thank you for coming to Starbright Storytime.